Welcome back everybody, and today we're finally opening up the Creality Ender 5 Plus. I ordered this from Bangood. I got it for a week ago. I'm gonna open this, and I don't have any type of experience at all with the 3D printers, so this is my first one. And this is supposed to be a fairly good, Creality is a fairly good brand, and the Ender 5 Plus is a really big one, and I don't know what to expect. I don't know what to really do, to be honest, but I'm gonna unpack this and try to assemble as much as I can. And my plan is to print some stuff for the AIRSOFT, of course, and also to my Traxxas X Maxx, my RC car, and also of course some fun projects around the house. I hope you enjoy this little unboxing here, and we're gonna see what's inside and try to assemble some of it, of course. The power cord, some tools. These are spare parts, USB cable, some clips to remove the projects with when they're stuck on the plate. A USB memory. Also, they actually ship you with a SD card. Okay, so here we have the, what do you say, heated plate. Here we have the arms for all the four sides. Here we have the Hotend, where the plastic is coming out, and it's going through this tube here, feeding through here, and it's getting heated up and printing on. Okay, so this sits on the side to adjust the height. And here we have the other side, of course. Here we have it, the computer. I think this is a touch screen here, and you build everything upon this. So, and there we go. Now it's empty. Now we're just gonna remove this and try to start assembling, I guess. Okay, so the first step is to set all these four pillars up, and though the side with the hole through this side, this has not, it's going up, and it's going to stand here. And we need M5 25 millimeters. Okay, so now we got the top on here as well. So we need to align these holes from both sides and all four corners. And when you got them on and you have the screws in there, it will be like a really tight, real square, true square. And for the size here, we're using the longer one, the M5 30 millimeters, From here from the sides we have 4 screws on each one. Okay, so the next step now is to add the hot plate. This is where you build everything from. This is where it starts, and this is, I think this gets heated, and then you start to build here, and this lowers down as you build up. Okay, so up here you have 2 screw holes down into the Z-axis, because this is only moving up and down, and the head is moving side to side on the other axis. And you have 2 of these screws, you know, on all the 4 corners. And to the heating plate we're using these, the M4 with 10 millimeters length. And you also have these locking bricks. Don't call it bricks, what do you call them? Washers. Locking washers. This is the filament holder here. Okay, so now we got all the wiring connected here, and my battery is running out, and also the light ran out, as you maybe noticed, but this is all for now. We're gonna continue tomorrow and see if I can get it started and working.